Here's how you can create a two-sided marketplace with no coding required. Zapier's marketplace template makes it very easy for you to connect the two sides of whatever type of marketplace you're trying to create. Using Zaps, templates, and interfaces, we can create a really simple yet powerful marketplace app. Upon adding this template to your Zapier account, you'll see this template comes with 2 pages, 1 table, and 2 Zaps already defined. These can all be completely customized, but let's start with the Add Services page. This is the supply side of our marketplace, the sellers. All of the fields on this form are editable, and all submitted data is saved in a table that can further be powered with Zaps. Now on the demand or buyer side of the marketplace, we have a secondary form. The data in this form is populated based on the table that already exists, being the supply side table. Notifications can be added to keep both sides of the marketplace informed and connected, and custom Zaps can further extend the automations of this marketplace. So if you have a marketplace idea, what are you waiting for? Run to get this up and running in no time at all.